Through the decades, open pit mining has become a lucrative business in the mining industry, feeding thousands of tons of minerals, ores, and building materials to meet mankind's insatiable need for progress. And its insatiable need is evident, very evident. In today's industrial and digital revolution, more resources are required to keep the world moving forward. To keep with this, mankind has created monolithic machines to continue feeding the system of progress. Gigantic bucket wheel excavators digging through thousands of tons of rocks in the earth, pulling out coal, copper, marble, diamonds, and even uranium for our nuclear power plants. So, here in Tech District, we would like to highlight some of the biggest, meanest mining excavators in the world. Before we begin, we try to put out content for you guys every day, so liking our videos would be greatly appreciated. Also, don't forget to subscribe so that you're always up to date with the tech industry. Komatsu is a multinational corporation in Japan and is the world's second largest manufacturers of construction and mining equipment, just behind Caterpillar. After celebrating their 100th year anniversary, Komatsu planned to build one of the largest excavators to meet the demand of the growing world. Enter number 1 on our list, the Komatsu PC8000. The PC8000 is the most powerful hydraulic excavator in Komatsu's production range. It's powered by 2 diesel engines with over 4,000 horsepower combined. The operating weight is almost 8,000 tons with a shovel and backhoe capacity of 42 cubic meters. It truly digs through dirt like it's no one's business. Additionally, responding to customers' requirements, Komatsu's top engineers designed individual solutions such as Arctic temperature compatibility versus areas around the globe. The shovels can withstand temperatures down to minus 50 degrees Celsius and altitudes to up to 16,000 feet above sea level. Today, the 800-ton monsters are operating in the Australian outback, the Chilean Andes mountain range, the Colombian fields, and the Canadian Arctic. The 100th PC8000 engine is successfully operating at Drummond's Pribonao coal mine in Colombia. The Komatsu has truly reaffirmed its market-leading position in South America and in the world. We are all familiar with Hitachi being a leading electronics company for many years. They build refrigerators, air conditioners, and microwaves. But did you know they also build mining equipment? Hitachi Construction Machinery Company Limited first entered the mining market in 1979, and since then, with the mining industry growing in scale, Hitachi Construction Machinery has established a comprehensive range of ultra-large hydraulic excavators that extends all the way up to the 800-ton Goliath machines. As the demand for resources continue to increase, mining-used dump trucks are expected to increase in size in efforts to reduce operating costs. To meet this need for larger dump trucks, the EX8000 was born at number 2. With an operating weight of over 8,000 tons and a large capacity bucket of 43 cubic meters, the EX8000 is the culmination of 25 years of progressive mining technology from Hitachi. It's powered by 2 Cummins QSK60C engines producing almost 4,000 horsepower combined. It also features high-tech automatic detection that softens impact of the hydraulic cylinders and recycles energy to reduce fuel consumption, providing durability and reliability of its service. The EX8000 is digging its way across almost all continents, from America to Africa to Asia and Australia. The Liebherr Group is a multinational equipment manufacturer based in Switzerland, with its main production facilities and origins in Germany. It consists of over 130 companies organized into 11 divisions, such as earth moving, mining, mobile cranes, and so on. Over the years, the family business grew into varied groups of companies. One of them is Earth Moving Division. With the goal of becoming the leading company in mining and excavating, Liebherr invented one of the largest bucket excavators the world has ever seen. Number 3 goes to the Liebherr R9800. Weighing in at an astonishing 800 tons, this gigantuan piece of machinery exemplifies the motto, "Go big or go home." The excavator has built a solid reputation for large-capacity mining operations capable of handling the most challenging mining tasks. Equipped with 2 massive 16-cylinder V engines, the R9800 excavator is able to produce 4,000 horsepower, while the R9800 is drastically larger than other excavators. Its innovation in fuel consumption is much less. A typical excavator requires roughly 20,000 liters of fuel per day. The R9800, which is 30% bigger than other excavators, only consumes 3,000 liters more fuel than other models. With the mines around the world getting bigger and higher demand for more efficient machines, the R9800 represents the best value for operation cost per ton. With over 50 years of engineering experience, this machine represents the cutting edge in hydraulics technology and one of the leading excavating machines in the market. Caterpillar Incorporated is an American Fortune 100 corporation, which is best known to design, develop, and manufacture machinery and engines to customers via a worldwide dealer network. It is also known as the world's largest construction equipment manufacturer, so fittingly, the world-renowned construction company continues to stay ahead of the game. Touted as the world's largest excavator, at number 4 we have the Caterpillar 6090 FS. This model is based on the Bucyrus RH400 after Bucyrus was purchased by Caterpillar in 2011, expanding its mining division. However, the 6090 FS features more durable components, hardened undercarriage, enhanced oil flow system and hydraulics, better customer service support, LED working lights for night shift, or innovative onboard electronics. The weight of the CAT 6090 FS mining excavator reaches an incredible 1,000 tons. The Goliath is equipped with 2 Cummins QSK60 engines, rated at 4,500 horsepower in total. The 52 cubic meters bucket has a max payload of 93.6 tons, and it takes just 4 passes to load the largest Caterpillar dump truck, the 797. You'll find this beast of a machine operating in the US, Asia, and Australia. Surely, it's not hard to miss. You would think this picture is a joke, or is probably photoshopped by some crazy graphics designer. But what you see here is as real as it gets. No, this isn't a science fiction movie. The machine you are looking at can be found in Germany. The coal mine industry is still as big as it ever has been, and knowing that most of the world is still relying on coal energy power plants, the German industrial company Takraf decided to get ahead of the game. Towering at 310 feet high and weighing 31.3 million pounds, the Bagger 293 holds the Guinness World Record of the largest and heaviest land vehicle in the world. The machine looks and sounds intimidating, but its operation is actually quite simple. 18 gigantic buckets are attached to a giant wheel. When the wheel rotates, the bucket scoops up earth and dump it into a conveyor belt. Each bucket is capable of holding 1,452 gallons of earth, equivalent to about 80 bathtubs. The Bagger 293 now resides in a brown coal mine in Hambach, Germany, and is still fully operational. Built in 1995, it requires a crew of just 5 to operate and can move over 8.5 million cubic feet of earth per day. To put that in perspective, that is equivalent of digging a hole the length of a football field and over 80 feet deep in 24 hours. Here in Tech District, we aren't making this stuff up. we can only imagine people's reaction when they are driving on a sunny afternoon and be greeted to this monolith on the horizon. A little bit of a bonus content here. We would like to give a shout out to the Bucyrus RH400, although replaced by the CAT 6090 after the Caterpillar acquisition. This extreme machine can still be found in the Canadian oil sands of Alberta, where this 3-story high behemoth set a record production excavating 9,000 tons of earth in just 1 hour. But the real reason why we really love the RH400 is because unlike other machines in this list, this excavator was actually based on a Michael Bay film. Yes, one of the world's largest excavator inspired the vehicle form of the Decepticon Demolisher in the 2009 movie Transformers 2: Revenge of the Fallen. That's pretty cool in our books. And there you have it, the largest, meanest excavating machines on the planet. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below what you thought was the best excavator out there, and we hope to see you again soon.